All right, our main weather today is brought to you by Diversified Ink Tattoo Studios in Penobscot Plaza in Bangor, providing custom ink by licensed artists for over 20 years. All right, folks, get ready. It's going to get cold. Make sure those fire pits are cranked up and you got the heat going, because we will absolutely need all the heat we need. Temperatures will be cooling down right now. Not too bad. Atlanta, Georgia, 53, but look just north. Nashville, 32 degrees. There's actually lots of ice going on in Texas right now, Oklahoma area. Arkansas is getting in some severe icing there. Lots of crippling ice where everything is on a standstill. It is pretty cold here. Not much going on snow or ice-wise here in our state, but it is cold, and this is just the start. The calm before the storm, I like to say. It does feel like we're at around 7 degrees here in town. Same thing all over the state, especially up north. Bar Harbor coming in just a little bit warmer with that feels like temperature at around 13 degrees. It's going to get cold, folks. Like I said, we do have some winter storm watches in effect up north, closer to Caribou area. But here in town, we do have these colors right here. That is actually wind chill watches, which most likely we will see some wind chill warnings in the area, where sometimes especially into those morning hours over the weekend, we could see those feels like temperatures around 50 below zero. Just think about how cold that is. That is bitterly cold. That means 10 minutes or less of exposed skin outside will cause frostbite, folks. So really take this cold seriously. It is going to be bitterly cold. Easily the coldest air of the season. Our average high should be around 28 this time of year. Tomorrow, pretty much near average, 29. Bam, Friday. That's when that cold air moves in. This is actually going to be our morning high. 10 degrees morning high. During the day, we're actually going to cool off and we'll be hovering at around 5 to 10 below zero with the wind chill much colder than that. Then Saturday, we stay cold, and those overnight lows will be at around 20 to 25 below zero with the wind chill at around 45 to 55 below zero in some spots. But hey, there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Look what happened Sunday, Monday into Tuesday. Temperatures really start to warm back up into the 30s, even some above average, above freezing temperatures as well by middle of next week. Wind's not too bad right now, but look how windy it's going to get. We will see some wind gusts close to 45 miles an hour in some spots, combined with that very cold Arctic air moving in. That is a recipe for disaster, folks. It is going to be bitterly cold Friday into Saturday. So those 2 days you do not want to leave your house. If you have anything to do, only if you really have to leave your house, that's when I would recommend leaving your house, because that is how cold it is going to feel. Not much going on, though, weather-wise. Snow, rain, nothing in our state right now. We do have some clouds in the area, but overall, we're pretty clear. Most of the Northeast is pretty clear as well, as we do have that high pressure from Canada that's pretty much moving in the area, and that is why all those cold temperatures will be moving in. For us, though, not much going on here in town. Maybe a couple of flurries Thursday night into the morning hours on Friday, right before that cold front comes in. A little bit up north, we will see a bit more snow, especially closer to Caribou area, just north of Greenville. We're looking at a couple of inches of snow, especially into those morning hours on Friday. In general, though, not much going on. It's going to be the cold air we really have to talk about. Maybe a trace of snow here in town, a couple inches up north, but that's not really what we want. The cold air is exactly what's going to be coming in, and it is going to be a very, very cold. Tonight, same story, another cold night. Temperatures around 2 degrees, mostly clear skies. With those calm winds, a recipe for temperatures to go south. When it's calm winds outside, clear skies, that is when those colder temperatures move in. Tomorrow, not too bad. Near average, increase in clouds. Temperatures around 29 degrees, another decent day out there. Our extended forecast outlook does show that bitterly cold air Friday into Saturday. Look at those overnight lows, 20 to even 25 below zero in some spots. Sunday, though, we start to warm up, especially into Monday. Temperatures will be hovering in those lower 30s. Beth?